This is a big deal today. There's 180 contractors in the New York Sun program. 5 have earned platinum status, and you're part of one of those 5. New York State Solar Farm has earned that, which is phenomenal. You guys are a bunch of elite crew people that are doing this every single day. And it's very important that you know that you guys are a big deal.
This plaque that really is symbolic of all the work you guys do.
Thank you for all your hard work and dedication, and let's keep pushing forward together.